Happy Friday, guys. Matt and Celine here.
Hi.
From myrawintuition.com. Hope you guys are off to a great Friday. Let's take a look at what we're both taking to work today. So I will start off. Got my jar of distilled water. My smoothie here, it's banana...
Pineapple cherry.
Pineapple cherry chia. 3?
Yeah.
Alright. And then we've got the Pyrex with dates and figs. 3 apples and 3 oranges. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah. Alright, that's all I got.
Alright guys, I have several hot waters in here, like 4 jars total that I just drink throughout the day, especially mostly in the morning. And then after lunch, I get kind of thirsty in the late afternoon. Let's see, so breakfast, I think, will be this smoothie. Where's the other half? Okay, smoothie, same as Matt's, except no banana, and with mango. Then, like, but smoothies don't keep me full for very long at all, so I'll have that, like, at 9, and then, like, at 10:30-ish, maybe even sooner, I'll have all this mango. It was frozen, so hopefully it will thaw a bit. Then, let's see, lunch. I have a head of romaine in here, or 2 heads, I guess. With a bunch of dressing that I made, and it's like hemp and mango, and I put some jalapeno and sun-dried tomatoes. I just really want nightshades lately. And then, oh man, I brought my pears separately to not squish them, but then I just squished them with my other food. So pears, so lunch will be around like 12:30, and then around like 4, I will either eat pears and dates, or apples and dates, or just pears, whatever I'm feeling like at the end of the day. And I also have celery to I munch on like 2 to 3 bites of celery after each meal, just to clean off all the sugar off my teeth. And that's it.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah.
So last night I taught a class on salads and salad dressings, which went really well. There was a lot of, it was a great turnout anyways. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna maybe start filming my classes more for you guys so you can see how it goes and maybe get some of that information and recipes and things like that. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something you guys would like me to start doing. Anything you got?
I was like trying to rush through all that, but like I realized we still have a couple minutes for the bus.
Right.
You guys, I'm so sorry. I probably seem like a crabby person on these morning videos, but I'm like so stressed in the mornings to get to work on time because, so someone asked yesterday, what's up with taking the bus? Like, what's that about? Because, like, obviously we're in the car right now. Like, we have a car. So we work downtown. And so we drive the car to the park and ride and take the bus from the park and ride to downtown because there's just no parking downtown.
Yeah.
So it just, you know, it adds a lot to the day. Like, Matt has been doing this for 8 years. I have to adjust to the whole bus thing. So
it's not as bad in the summertime, but in the winter it gets,
you just have to wait outside in the cold. But that's not the worst part. It's just like it adds more than 45 minutes to the work day.
Right.
So it's like, you know, a 9-hour work day because I have to take a lunch. And then like driving here to be early for the bus to make sure I'm at work on time, which to me on time means 10 to 15 minutes before I start, you know?
Yeah.
Because like I like to get settled at my desk and stuff. like I might get to my desk at 7:50, but I still have to take off my coat, take off this like poncho thing, lint roller, so that my whatever, like so yeah. Sorry I took over your video.
That's all right.
I just needed to vent. I haven't seen Matt like all week. We get home at 7, and I often, like half the week, I'll skip dinner and just go straight to bed. Because I wake up at like 4. So
yeah,
I don't get to see Matt all week.
I know. It's the weekend though.
Yeah.
So. Yep.
Sorry. I love you.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go get ready to get on the bus. So we hope you have a great Friday, and we will see you this weekend. So have a great day, and always follow your
raw intuition. Bye.
Bye.